Welcome to the Teacher's Lounge, a podcast dedicated to providing real-life resources for early education professionals. The Teacher's Lounge is hosted by Noelle Dentino and Jessica Day. Together, they bring almost 50 years of combined experience in and out of the early education classroom, offering a wealth of knowledge and practical insights that you need now if you're in childcare. Whether you're a new assistant or making the leap from lead teacher to director, we have you covered. Join us as we delve into the unique challenges and opportunities of each role, sharing our experiences and expertise with practical tools to help you succeed. So, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite drink, and let's jump into the lounge.
Welcome back to the Teacher's Lounge. I'm Jessica Day, and today we're continuing our journey of classroom creativity with part 2 of our series. Last time, we explored activities for preschoolers. Now, let's discover how to transform everyday items into engaging experiences for our youngest learners, children ages 0 to 2 years old. Working with infants and toddlers brings unique opportunities for discovery. Young children explore their world through all of their senses, including mouthing objects. So, safety is our top priority. All materials must be large enough to prevent choking, sturdy enough to withstand mouthing, and be able to be sanitized regularly. Always supervise closely and check materials daily for wear and tear. First, safe sensory explorations. Empty plastic waters can become sound shakers filled with dry pasta. Make sure it's sealed tight with hot glue. Rolling toys with colorful scarves inside. Light catchers with squares of colored tissue paper. And water bottles filled partially with water and oil. Again, sealed securely. Empty diaper boxes transform into peekaboo stations with fabric flaps, push and pull toys, crawling tunnels with both ends open, and ball drop games. Safety note: ensure all containers are thoroughly cleaned, securely sealed, and regularly checked for damage. Second, everyday items as teaching tools. Clean kitchen items offer plastic measuring cups for pouring practice, large plastic bowls for stacking, wooden spoons for banging and music, silicone muffin cups for sorting. Fabric items become textured touchboards using secured swatches, peekaboo scarves, ball pit using laundry baskets and soft balls, discovery blankets with different textures sewn on. Safety note: choose items that are washable, durable, and free from small parts or sharp edges. Third, movement and discovery tools. Empty paper towel rolls cut in half lengthwise become ball ramps secured to the wall, car tracks mounted at different heights, and rolling exploration stations. Large cardboard pieces transform into tummy time stations with mirrors, push surfaces for early walkers, and texture paths for crawlers. Safety note: mount materials securely at appropriate heights, pad edges, and supervise all activities. Tomorrow, try one of these ideas. Create one secure sensory bottle. Set up a safe exploration station. Make a textured board with secured materials. Design a movement activity. Remember, for our youngest learners, simple is often better. When we create materials for infants and toddlers, we ensure all items are mouth safe and larger than toilet paper tube. Materials are securely fastened or sealed. Edges are smooth and padded. Items can be easily sanitized. Activities support natural development. And experiences engage multiple senses. Most importantly, these activities support the way infants and toddlers learn naturally, through movement, exploration, and sensory experiences. Thank you for joining us in the Teacher's Lounge today. Your commitment to creating safe, engaging environments for our youngest learners makes a difference in their earliest discoveries. If you missed part 1 of our series focusing on preschool activities, be sure to check it out. Until next time, keep exploring new possibilities that support infant and toddler development. We're here to support your creative teaching journey.
And that brings us to the end of this episode of the Teacher's Lounge. We're so grateful for your time and hope you found our discussion helpful and inspiring. Remember, you are doing an amazing job in the field of early education, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, take care, and we'll be back soon with more resources, insights, and inspirations to help you succeed. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and follow us on all our social medias to stay up to date on the latest happenings inside the lounge. Keep up the great work. We're cheering you on.